Yeah, I wish you did right. Yeah, I was broke, now a young nigga flex star. In a foreign switching lanes, you can't catch up. You was saying, but you switch up cause I'm next star.
Hey man, we in downtown Denver. You already know what it is, man.
Hey, this Brian GMG from South looking for his money gang, man. Whole lot of gang shit.
I got a link and some 40 in my red car. Bitches change, yeah, I like I ain't know this. Get it money, nigga, that my man.
Hey guys, man, it's your boy PR messing with y'all. It's your boy NBA YoungBuck, man. I'm here with another video. Today we're gonna be reacting to BTS. Hey! So y'all already know, man, the Airplane Part 2 Japanese version just dropped, G. So we're gonna go ahead and listen to this MV, man. This MV looks pretty lit. And don't get it messed up, guys. As I set this up, let me just say, BTS, man, they were the beginning of my journey, guys. We're still on this road to 1K subs, man. So go ahead and subscribe, guys. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hey. Why is it that every time BTS starts a video, sometimes they start like with random ass, like literally it's always a random scene. You never think it's gonna be the same thing. But man, they're always lit. So let's just go back into this video, man. Okay. Suga. And guys, the video is in Japanese, so man, go ahead and comment. Please comment what they are saying in this video, guys. Don't forget to comment. It's always important, man. That communication. Hey. Hey. Yo, that part was lit, fam. I don't know what he said. I think he said shooting stars, but that was lit. Let's get back into this video, man. Hey! Oh. Nobody other than RM can rap better than that, man. What is XO? Hey! Yeah! Hey! It's lit, fam. It's lit. BTS, man. BTS, man. Hey. Hey! Man, guys, you guys still haven't sent me up with like opponents on how to dance like this. I've been asking for like, I'm not really good with like stuff like this, but you know, I'm willing to learn. So go ahead, guys. If you guys have any like ways you guys can teach me, send me videos, man. You guys have my email, man. Go ahead and just send it to me. And if you guys are willing, guys, I will take BTS tickets too to go watch them. So go ahead, send them my way. Okay. It's lit. It's lit. Hey. Hey. It's going down. Get it. Yo. Fam, hold on. Let's wait till this video ends. Fam, that shit was lit, fam. It was lit, fam. Man, Buck team stand up, man. Buck team stand up. Cause that shit was just lit, fam. Just shut it down, yeah? Shut down the house. Big time, yeah? Big town, yeah? Come on, G. Man, bang 10 boys, G. It's lit. Every time they get on the MVs, yo. All these MVs they get always lit. You guys are wondering why my accent just changed. Only does it when it's lit, man. It's lit, G. I don't know what else to say. So go ahead and, man, if you haven't already, man, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're here for more videos, man, I have a lot of reactions in my reactions playlist. So go ahead and go visit my reactions playlist on my channel. And guys, we have some more lit content coming up, man. I know I've been reacting to a lot of Japanese K-pop and everything, guys. But I still am a BTS fan. BTS Army, stand up! Y'all already know, man. Yeah, if you haven't already, go ahead, comment, like, comment, and subscribe, man. And I will see you guys in the next video.
I wanna come and kiss your feet. I wanna lick your I wanna come and boom boom boom. I think her name was Emily.